All right, here we have the problem set three that was due last week. So first we have the word text file that was needed in the assignments, or in the first assignment, in order to have the words loaded up. So go ahead and I'm sorry, I went ahead and imported that and made my own text file that contains the words, as you'll see here, all types of combinations of the words, and we'll go into the code now. So from here, this was just the good gist of the helper code right here first. So I didn't really have to do too much with that, just deleted some comments and made sure that everything worked properly with the words, and it did. So now we have the function of is word guess. So right here, we set guess letters to 0 and have a for loop going on. So that way, um, if the guest letter is in the is basically in the word, or if the letter is in the word, um, it's gonna parse through and then it's gonna increment to let the user know that the word that they guessed was correct, or sorry, like the letter that they guessed was correct, and if it equals the length of the secret word, then it's going to return true, or else it returns false. Then we have the get guessed word, to where the for loop here runs it and it allows the spaces to be set, um, to basically give the illusion that all of the words are basically hidden. And once you, what's the word? Once you discover them, it'll show up as you found the word, basically, um, or found the letters to make up the word. Then we have the get available letters, which right here we have the alphabet and the entire index that we're able to use. Then we have a for loop right here that allows the user to guess at the word. And if they get it right, then basically it will continue to add the letters that they get, that basically they're getting right, and then it's going to return that back to them. Then we have the Hangman game, which is a full print statements. Available guesses 8. Lost game is false currently until the user does lose. So then we have a while loop that sets the available guesses above 0 and the lost game is equal to false. Then basically, the longer the user goes on, the less guesses they do have in order basically to increase their winning chance of the game. Then we go down to here. This is a couple more like else if statements and else if not statements, to where it basically parses through what the user inputs from, where is it at? I might have lost it. But basically from the input of the user, it will judge that to see if it does match the secret word. And then it's going to go through here. And then once the user completely guesses correctly or incorrectly, it's going to just end the game right there to either say the user is lost or the user is won. So we're going to go ahead and run this. So we're going to guess the letter. As you can see, the letter is giraffe. I'm going to go ahead and test this picking random long letters. Um, as you can see, it goes through here and it deletes the potential available letters that aren't left. And so, say if we start to input the right letters, it'll say like, okay, cool, good guess, we have a G. Then it's going to keep saying that we have the guesses left because we are still inputting the right amount of letters in there. And so GEAR. And congratulations, we won. And that's problem coding. Sorry, the problem set 3.